Alia Bhatt doesn't skip rice and she enjoys her chocolate. She swears by her saffron nimbu pani, yet she manages to stay lean through her wedding, her pregnancy, and now motherhood. How? Today I'll break down 5 unusual things she eats and does that ensures she stays slim. And they're not going to be your typical just cut out carbs or work out extra kind of tips. Tip number 4 is actually going to blow your mind. It's what helps her burn calories even when she's chilling at home. Hello, I'm Simran Valecha, a certified weight loss coach, and I work alongside my mom, an ACE certified nutritionist, to help women like you lose 2 to 3 kilos a month while eating out at restaurants. Together, we've helped over 5,000 women globally achieve this goal. My diet plan started only 999 rupees a year and they're custom made to your lifestyle, so you don't have to worry about being consistent on your fancy diet plan anymore. Today, we're decoding Alia's 5 secrets that actually help her stay lean. But before we proceed, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so that the YouTube algorithm gods can show this video to those who are really struggling to lose weight. Alia's secret? She doesn't eat 3 big meals. Instead, she eats 6 to 8 small balanced meals through the day, like idli sambar mid-morning, or a fruit juice before her shoot, or a typical bowl of khichdi. This works because it keeps her blood sugar levels stable, reduces her cravings, boosts her energy, and keeps her metabolism steady. My client Ria went from 78 kilos to 72 kilos in 3 months just by switching from 3 meals to 6 meals a day. But wait till you hear about what Alia drinks after her workouts. It's not your fancy protein shakes, but it's something so simple and yet so effective. Tip number 2, her saffron lemon coconut water, the anti-inflammatory drink. Alia's post-workout drink, a saffron nimbu pani with coconut water that she swears by. Saffron has antioxidants that reduce your inflammation, help skin grow, and improve mood. The coconut water brings back electrolytes, especially after her sweaty dance rehearsals or a crazy gym workout. What most people usually miss is that this combo helps lower your cortisol levels, the stress hormone that makes losing your belly fat a lot harder. My client Anjali swapped her post-workout coffee with this drink and in 2 weeks she felt less bloated and more energetic. Now on to tip number 3, where Alia Bhatt eats rice and still stays lean. But before we move forward, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button because I'm about to tell you how you can actually implement these celebrity hacks with your busy and active social lifestyle. Tip number 3, the smart carb sequence that actually flattens your belly. Alia doesn't avoid rice. She pairs it smart with lots of veggies, dal, ghee, and finally your rice. And she eats it in a sequence. Veggies first, your fiber slows down your sugar spikes. Dal next, protein stabilizes your sugar spikes. And rice last. The science, this lowers your blood sugar peak by up to 50%. So you have fewer cravings and less fat storage. My client Sheetal felt bloated after her lunch. We switched up her pattern and within a month, she had a flatter stomach and no post-lunch crashes. Tip number 4 is a total game changer. It's how Alia burns fat without crazy long gym sessions. But before we move forward, I hope you've already hit the like and the subscribe button so that my ego knows that someone's watching me and I'm not just speaking to a camera. Tip number 4, the NEAT secret, Alia's non-gym fat burning trick. Alia stays active off camera by something known as NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It's a fancy word, but it's a very simple concept. It's all the calories you burn by doing your everyday simple things. Walking on set, playing with her dog or her baby, or simply pacing during calls. This can burn up to 350 extra calories every single day. No gym required. For my clients, I tell them to set a 90-minute alarm on their phone and every time it rings, you have to go to the pantry and get a bottle of water, or you walk and take a call, or you just get up from your chair, stretch, take a couple of steps and sit back down. Even if you miss a couple of alarms, it's okay, let it keep going because eventually you'll get into the habit of doing it. NEAT adds up. And that's fat loss gold. Now, tip number 5. That's the one that helps her burn calories even when she's sleeping. It's the warm early dinners, the thermal burn hack. Alia eats early dinner, warm khichdi, soups, and roti and sabzi. No cold salads. Why? Warm meals are easier to digest, help your insulin work better, and promote deep sleep. Better sleep means better hormone balance, that means better fat burn. Early dinners mean that your body isn't focused on digestion at bedtime. Now, this doesn't mean you have to eat dinner at 7 pm while you're still in the office. It just means keep a good 2 to 2.5 hour gap between your dinner and hitting the bed. My client Pooja recently messaged me saying that she had started eating her dinner at 8:30 pm and she sleeps like a baby, and she's already lost 1.5 kilo in 2 weeks with no other change but this. Stick around because the video is still not over. I'm going to break down and tell you exactly how you can start this today without any fancy ingredients. Start with 6 to 8 small balanced meals like idli sambar and fruit juices. Have saffron nimbu pani with coconut water as your post-workout drink. Eat veggies and protein before you eat your carbs. Move between tasks, stretch, walk, or simply pace while taking your calls. Warm early dinners for fat burn and deeper sleep. Start with just one change this week and then slowly build up so it can be a consistent lifestyle change. Now, if you actually struggle to implement these changes into your lifestyle, you need to sign up for a diet plan with my ACE certified mom. She uses her science and knowledge of nutrition and her love and motherly support to actually help you make these changes into your lifestyle. The link to my diet plan is in the description below. All you have to do is hit the sign up button. It's only rupees $9.99 a year. You'd rather start today than wishing you had started today 4 months from now. If you found this video helpful, make sure you share it with a friend who's also struggling to lose weight. And hit the subscribe button for your weekly science-backed weight loss tips. Bye!